In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify inventory not tracked. If your Shopify store is not tracking inventory for a product, the fix is usually very simple. In most cases, the product is not set to track quantity, so Shopify will not automatically update the stock count when sales come in. I will walk you through exactly where to find that setting and how to turn it on. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Products. This is where all of the items in your store are listed, and it is where you can manage product details, stock settings, and availability. Once you are on the Products page, find the item that is having the inventory tracking issue and click the product name to open it. This takes you into the Product Details page, where you can adjust the settings for that specific product. After the product page opens, scroll down until you reach the Inventory section. This area controls how Shopify handles stock for that item. If inventory is not being tracked, this is the section you need to check. Look for the option labeled Track Quantity. If that box is not checked, Shopify is not monitoring how many units of that product you have available. That means the stock level will not automatically decrease when a customer places an order, which can lead to inaccurate inventory counts. To fix the issue, simply check the box for Track Quantity. This tells Shopify to begin tracking the stock for that product going forward. It is a small setting, but it is essential if you want accurate inventory management inside your store. Once the box is checked, click Save. Saving confirms the change and applies the updated inventory setting to the product. After that, Shopify should begin tracking inventory for that item correctly. If you manage multiple products, it is a good idea to repeat this process for any other items that are showing the same issue, so your inventory stays accurate across your store. That covers everything you need to know.